I am sick of heart-shaped boxes of chocolates that they sell at Target and H-E-B that only have milk chocolate in them. And certainly ones with dark chocolate exist, but they're not easily accessible. And I don't want to go and find one, so I'm going to make one. My roommate and I had a very large carton of eggs that I moved, that I redirected in the fridge, and I cut this. Why am I talking like this? And I'm gonna hot glue this bandana print fabric on the inside to make it look nice. And I'm going to use cardboard to frame it, make a base for it, and then make a lid for it. And then I think for the border and the base, I'm probably just gonna paint it. I don't feel like I need to cover the entire box in fabric, knowing that this will eventually be thrown away. Let me show you the chocolates that I got to put in it because I'm excited. Also, check this out. I'm connecting the fabric with hot glue. And my mom got me this cordless hot glue gun. That's like, this is like a power bank that you have to charge separately. And it's like very big and high tech. But my mom gave it to me, so I am gonna use it. Anyways, these are classic. Actually, these are milk chocolate, but like they're good. My partner will like these. And then these I honestly got for me. They are dark chocolate strawberry lints, which are like fancy. And then I got Reese's just because my partner likes Reese's, and you know, it's a gift for them, so I should like do something they would want. What the fuck? I should probably be showing this. Oh my gosh. I'm currently balancing you on my sewing machine. This is really weird. Okay, I think it needs to heat up more. The stick went in, but nothing. Okay. Also, it's like January 30th. I'm a little bit too ahead of this, but I have lots of projects to be working on. And this like won't take too long, and it's really cute. It's a shame that this is one of those crafts that like kind of has to be thrown away. Like, it would be sweet if my partner kept it, but it's like big and not really reusable. But that's okay because I'm using a fabric I'm not gonna use anywhere else. So don't worry about it. Oh, a bubble. Oh, okay. Okay. Wait, now I need to figure out my strat here. I don't know how I'm gonna film this. Like, I feel like I should glue this to the bottom and then wrap it up and around so I don't have to deal with the end of the fabric. I'll just like, okay. I'm just gonna do like a line along the fabric. This is terrible filming, but then just kind of stick this on top. Do you guys see? Do you guys see what I'm doing here? Okay, I'm gonna go do that now. Okay. Guys, we've done it again. Oh, yes! Okay. No, I'm cutting open this box. I'm using it to hold stuff, but I'm cutting it open. Okay. I have cut apart this cardboard box. I have taken pieces and I've cut them into smaller pieces. I am now rolling it so it's got some flexibility. Then I intend to like wrap it around, glue it around. Do you see? I just worked a shift at Target where I spent all day ripping open boxes. Like, genuinely, my hands are so sore and like I have cuts all over them from doing it. And here I am back again, but it's worth it this time. Are these the same height? Oh, actually, yeah. Lovely. So, craft night. What are you doing? Making a puppet. Cool. Wait, that'd be awesome. I should do that. Yes. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna need one more of these. Right. Oh, and I have to make the base before I, well, right, okay. I'm like getting ahead of myself. I'm just so like, oh, but I shouldn't glue this on until they're painted, right? Right? Oh, didn't think about that. Whatever. Is this a tutorial? I feel like this isn't something people need a tutorial for, but I think it's like a cool craft. And I think it's like really, really special if you make it for somebody because you can like personalize it to the candy that they like. My partner really likes Nerds gummy clusters and I wanted to try and work that in, but it's kind of better if it's individually wrapped candies. Okay, now I need to make the base of the heart to glue this part onto. Yes. Okay. So that's what happened. But it works. It works. Guys, one thing about me, I make it work. Anyways, I'm gonna cut this up. I've glued the eggs to the base and I've started making the borders and I'm like geeking at how happy I am with how it's turning out. Bitch. I made the lid. I did. It doesn't really line up, but after a little bit of finessing, it gets on there. Wait! Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paint what's on the outside, but I might put fabric on this inside bit and the inside of these. I feel like that would be really cute. Cute. What time is it? Should I paint it now? Yeah. Bucket. All right. Oh. So I don't actually know what color I want to make the outside of the box. I use so much, like overwhelmingly the most of my red paint. So I refuse to use the red paint because it's also like basic, like let's do something fun, but also I feel like I can't do pink because I'm gonna have to mix that and I'm gonna need a lot of it. So it's not gonna be like a reliable shade match. Maybe I should do like purple. Like orange and yellow, no. Green, no. I could do blue. Dark blue would be cool. Let's give it a try. Okay. I was watching YouTube while crafting and I just kind of hit a vibe and I have not been really updating. It's also like fully 1:30 in the morning right now. This is the base. This is the chocolate layout. My room smells very strongly of paint right now. This is the lid. I'll probably paint something on the cover. I also am tying a bow around the box, but that's like, you know, later. This is the inside. And then the lid needs a little bit of finessing to get closed. Hold on. So I can do this. Come on. Definitely. That goes home. The box. I got it. I got it. I got it. Oh, I got it. Hi. So, the ending that I filmed last night was really awkward because it was like 2 in the morning and I was like really tired. And I also don't like that towards the end I stopped explaining what I was doing and suddenly I was like, and then I did this and now it's painted and now it's done. So sorry about that. I really like making crafting videos. So in the future, I might make more. I'll make sure that you can actually see what I'm doing a little bit more. But I wanted to do like a little end reveal that feels more like an end reveal. So it's gonna look kind of like this. My partner is going to open this on Valentine's Day. It's gonna look like this. I gotta trim this bow, but it's gonna have a bow on it. I kind of didn't want to paint on it, whatever. that's it. Looks exactly like how it looks when you last saw it. I hope that you thought this was cool. I had so much fun making this, and I hope to make stuff like it more in the future. Yeah. Happy Valentine's Day to you all. May you all receive a box of chocolates this year. Okay. All right. Bye. I gotta learn how to end a video, man.